Here, Clara. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Hey, hey. I think somebody getting the hang of it. Here. Here. She knows because she's already taken her hand out her mouth when she sees the food coming. Here you go. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is that yummy? Find out and put some in your bobble. I gonna put some in your bobble. Your first time eating rice cereal, yay! Is that yummy, yummy, yummy? You ready for some more? Oh, delicious. Ah, you're beasting on it.
She likes it?
Yeah, she likes it. Look. She opens her mouth. Oops. Wait,
she should be sitting down.
You want to bring up the high chair? She can't even hold herself up. Look, Lila. No, fix that, please. She takes her hands out herself. Delicious! You want to do it yourself? Find out.
As soon as she starts eating from the spoon, the better.
Yeah. Can you fix your feet? Here. Look, Kalila. I'm gonna go put some in your bobble for you. You're a mess. You're a mess. Was that yummy? Yay! Yay! You eating out your cereal out the cup? Yes, you ate it all. You ate it all. It wasn't a lot, but you ate it all. Yay! Here, You want more, Cha-Cha? My baby, such a good baby. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Good job. Oh, you're still hungry. Okay, I gotta go get you more.